Hi everyone. As the year comes to a close, the excitement in the online business world is reaching new heights. Brace yourself for the Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday sale, the biggest one yet. For a limited time, you can save big on Premium and Premium Plus memberships and gain access to a wealth of resources and tools that will help you build and grow your business from the ground up. To get the details, or join now, go to the links in the description below. From November 24th to November 27th, Wealthy Affiliate is unleashing a Black Friday bonanza. They are offering their lowest prices ever on Premium and Premium Plus membership. For a limited time, grab a full year of premium membership for only $297. That's a staggering of almost up to 60% off. And if you're looking for advanced features and support, the Premium Plus membership is available for just $497. That's a savings of over 50%. But it's not just about the savings, it's about investing in your online business. With the Wealthy Affiliate membership, you unlock a treasure trove of benefits to build and grow your online business. Say goodbye to writer's block with their site content that features the AI article designer. Generate content outlines effortlessly, saving you time and ensuring high quality content. Transform your business into business hubs with AI blueprinting. Streamline your learning process and boost your business acumen with integrated access to core training. This Black Friday, experience the refreshed core training bootcamp, also known as another one is the OEC. They are committed to providing you with the best training to enhance your learning experience. And if you're a Premium Plus member, you gain exclusive beta access to the AI authoring program. That's a game changer in the content creation. Craft SEO-ready content with ease. In early 2024, the AI writing platform will revolutionize content creation for all members. Break down barriers and scale your SEO and PPC campaigns at unprecedented speeds. The time to act is now. Seize this extraordinary opportunity to propel your online business forward with the Wealthy Affiliates Black Friday sale. Remember, to get the details or you want to join now, go to the links in my description below. So don't miss out on the chance to unlock your online business potential. Join Wealthy Affiliate today and seize the power of Black Friday Bonanza. Together, let's transform your online business dreams into reality. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.